In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a powerful Notion to-do list. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, ready-to-use task manager inside Notion, built from one of their official templates, so you don't have to start from a blank page. Let's get started inside your Notion workspace. First, head to the Notion Marketplace. You can usually find this by looking for the Marketplace option in the left sidebar or in the main navigation area, depending on your device and layout. The Marketplace is where Notion collects templates and tools made either by Notion or by the community, and it's the fastest way to set up a fully working to-do system without building one from scratch. Once you're in the Marketplace, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Click into that search bar and type in to-do list. You don't have to worry about capitalization or exact phrasing here. To-do list is enough. This search will pull up all the templates related to simple task lists, productivity systems, and other planning tools. If you see multiple options, that's perfectly normal. The idea is to quickly filter down from the entire marketplace to just the templates that focus on task management. After the results load, look for the template that's specifically called to-do list. This is usually a straightforward, minimalist template designed for daily and weekly tasks, and it's a great starting point if you're new to Notion or you just want something that works right away. Go ahead and click on that to-do list template. This will open a detailed preview page where you can scroll and get a sense of how it's structured, what properties it uses, and how tasks are organized. On this template page, you'll see an option to add it to your own workspace, often labeled simply as Add. Click on Add. Notion will then copy the template into your workspace. This may take a moment, but once it's done, you'll see the new to-do list page appear in your sidebar, ready for you to customize. From here, you can start entering your own tasks, adjusting the sections, and renaming the page to match your workflow. You've now successfully built a powerful Notion to-do list using the Marketplace template, giving you a solid foundation to stay organized